Spending all this dope on building trap house. We forgot the bitches had a trap house. I can't trust you, okay, can you real address? I can't trust you, okay, can you real address? It don't mean to be like Paris Gaga. I might fall in love with my trap house.
What is up, guys? It's Shams here with another video. With another video, and today we're gonna go bright light, the light in the hall. Today we are gonna go get the windows tinted. It's been a very long time. I've been putting this off for I haven't been putting this off, right? It's just a hell of people, right? Okay, I'm gonna stop swearing, right? That's my goal. No more swearing. Friendly channel alert. Okay, anyway, what I noticed that many tinting people don't really want to tint the back window for this car because it's curved. Like, it's a bit confusing. Like, bro, it's a curve. Nothing more, nothing less is a curve. Like, you're tinting the window. It shouldn't even be that deep in it, but it is what it is anyway. So yeah, we're going to this place up in East London. I think they're called Illis Works. Oh, I'm next to 182 right now. Wow. Yeah. So we're gonna get that done. Hopefully they can perform, tint it correctly. But I'm going for like the darkest, like on the legal limit. Because I like my privacy. Like, I know it's an old car, like, but it's not every day I want the sun to be shining into the vehicle. Just like this, like, not that. It's not on it, but still. Yeah, so I got that, tinting the window, and then next video I'm gonna be doing the air filter, the sport air filter for the induction pipe. That's what it's called. I'm gonna be doing the induction pipe. Pipe for the car to give it a better sound and that, and then basically I've got a whole bunch of videos lined up. But yeah, vlogging and driving. Obviously I'm paying attention to the road because I don't really want to crash, but yeah, I'll pick up the video when I get there, and just leave a like and comment, positive comment, right? A like and a positive comment. Please, I'm begging you, fam. Because you got some people, out there that will dislike the video for bags. That's not funny. It's not funny to me. Like, it shouldn't be funny to you, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, we're just gonna go underneath the black tunnel now. But yeah, I'm sorry for the shaky angles. Like, this is jiggling, fam. This is jiggling. But yeah, roundabout. Even if you don't have a Renault Clio, I still do videos on, what do you call it? It's such a mad lad. I still do videos on stuff like other cars, like, like the double dinner install. That's got like over 4,000 views, almost 4,000 views. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm gonna be doing more electrical type stuff, but as for now, that's what I'm doing, innit? So yeah, 20 miles an hour, Blackwall Tunnel, let's get it. In the arms of an angel. Rapping, Tinting. I'm not sure what it's called, but the shop's called LS, up in East London. And yeah, I'd like to say that I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed with their work. Like, they managed to do the back window, which was known to be impossible, and to say the least, it looks very good. Like, nobody can see inside the car. Like, the limo tint is like spot on, bro. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description for their Facebook page, and yeah, I'm just very glad that I went to LS to get my tinting done, and it was pretty cheap as well. I was expecting a massive amount, but for what it is and how good the quality is, I think it is a bargain. So if you need your windows done, just holler LS or holler me, and then I can, you know, pass you guys on. So you probably wondered how much it costs. Like, the whole windows, well, all around, was £100, and yeah, did it pretty quick as well. Did it with like an hour. Did it within an hour. So yeah, fast and good quality. Also, I'd like to say that if you're still not sure about why you would pick them, they've done many tinting and wrapping on much high-end cars, like cars that come straight from the dealership. I saw this, it was a BMW 180i, 180i, whatever it's called, 128i, I don't know. But yeah, like straight from dealership, 2018, came in for limo tints. Boom, easy, right, done. They done Bentleys, they done Mercedes, they done Range Rovers, they done BMWs, they done flipping RX-8s, they done, bro, Ferraris, they done a lot of cars, and everybody is satisfied. For me personally, I'll say that they're a bit underrated, because like, not many people know about them. And like, I had to do digging to try and find this company and this wrapping place. But so yeah, I don't want to bore you guys too much, but yeah, that's my overall thoughts about the wrapping and tinting. Yeah, I'm definitely going back there to get my car wrapped. I'm not sure what color yet. I'm gonna let you guys choose, but yeah, I was not smelling my arm, fam. I was just swallowing it out. A bit of a pause. But yeah, please like, comment and subscribe to my video. Like my video, comment below. Positive comments, no negativity thing, yeah? Positive, right? And subscribe. Come on, you guys want to win a giveaway. 250 subscribers. Come on, mate. So yeah, anyway, it's Shamsi. The day is Shamsi signing out. Peace.